If this is happening to you, the problem is that your pressure is not set correctly. As you can see, I've got heavy, medium, and light all in the same pattern. What's happening is my pressure, if we take a look down here, so if you'll notice on this gauge, it says 60 PSI, but when I pull the trigger, it drops down in the 30 range. So we don't have 60 like we need for orange peel. So what we need to do is pull the trigger and set the pressure. By pulling the trigger and setting the pressure, when the compressor stops, you'll see that I'm going to be up around 90, but when I pull it, it drops to 60, and that's what we want. A flowing pressure of 60 with the air flowing 60 PSI. Now what I'm going to do at 60 PSI, I'm going to spray texture around this pattern that we did earlier and watch the difference. So now you have what's in the middle close to a knockdown texture, but on the outside orange peel. That's the difference between setting the gun at 60 PSI with the air flowing and setting it at 60 PSI without the air flowing. So click here, guys, for other videos on other products that we have and also other instructional videos we have. Just click right over here. No, seriously, click here. Anytime, click here.